saw it first. I think it's just really, I'm going to say cute again, but I'm not. Just cute, it is. Yeah, I just really like the pastels, tie-dye, but different to the things I've been bleaching. And yeah, I got a 6 in the shorts so that they were tight around my waist, an 8 in this little crop top. But yeah, there was some different styles, but I went for these. So I am, what am I doing? It's not really baking, but some sort of baking thing. Mum bought this cinnamon roll thing, and I don't think I really have to do a lot. I think I literally have to like cut it up and put it in the oven. Here it is. See what I mean? Oh my goodness. This is so basic, but trust me, I'm gonna end up doing wrong. Baking paper is done. Oh my goodness. Are you seeing this? I don't know what's going on. No. Okay. Definitely made that harder than it should have been, but I think we're all good. A bit wonky, I know, but okay, so I feel like I'm just gonna squash them like I am. Someone please tell me how I'm managing to literally mess up the easiest thing. I'm literally just cutting something and it's not going right. What a flop. It also gives you a little icing sugar thing. Will I try? Who knows? Probably messed that up too. Yeah, that's about it really. I'm not sure why that was so hard for me. I'll show you what they look like and hopefully they'll look better when they come out the oven. Yeah, so this is what they're looking like. See what I mean? Like, why do they just look a bit squashed? Yes. Hopefully they'll taste lovely, because otherwise I've just like butchered. It's definitely really easy. I'm just clearly incapable of doing any sort of baking. So they're out the oven and they are looking so much better. I'll add a little clip and like close up, but they smell so good. The cinnamon looks a bit dark and it's kind of exploded a little bit. See what I mean? Like, not the neatest, but that shape is so much better than I thought. And it says you need to wait before putting the icing on because they need to cool. So I'm just kind of cool slightly. So I've kept it on the baking paper on a cooling rack. Don't really know why. May as well just leave them in the tray actually. Back she goes. I'm gonna put them on there and then I can tilt a little fine. I need to drizzle it, and this is currently what I'm looking at, just a blob. It says you can adjust the water to get the right consistency because it's a bit thick, I think. Angle. Gonna leave them for a minute to dry, harden, cool, any of the above. I think they look pretty good, to be honest. I'm quite proud of that. So I don't think they turned out all that bad. Hopefully they taste good. And yeah. So this is a big bag of clothes. See if there's any things that are worth selling or popping on Depop. I'm out of breath from walking down the stairs. Sorry about the puzzle in the corner. Lockdown life. Watch me do this and just not want to throw anything away because I'm such a clothes hoarder. 2 seconds. Right, what was I saying? I'm a clothes hoarder. Basically, I keep buying clothes and I don't have any room for more clothes in any of my drawers. I'm gonna try and depart with some things. this little top, it actually came from Pretty Little Thing, I think, or Boohoo. It's like a different make in the label. I ordered something else, this somehow got sent, and I just thought I'd keep it because it is cute, but I just don't wear it. So this, which is from Pretty Little Thing, which I only got last year. It is really cool, like for going out or, I don't know, raves or something. I'm really feeling it, and like I say, I've worn it once, so clearly it's not at the top of my list, so someone would definitely get better use out of that. This little top from Primark, do I keep it? This may be on my Depop, this may go back in the wardrobe. I'm going in my maybe pile. I just have too many clothes, and once I buy new clothes, I live in them, and then all my old clothes like get left behind. This is a little cord from In the Style. Again, brought up a couple of years ago, but really nice little bralette. Oh, can I throw this? I'm gonna end up literally showing you all these things, and they're gonna be back in my wardrobe. And some camo leggings, but they match, and I just think I may have to hold on to them for a little bit longer. A couple of things might end up back in my wardrobe, which was really not the point of this. Sometimes I just can't depart with things. It'll either be in the link, there will either be a link in the description, or I will let you know in the future, so look out for that. And yeah, thanks my little Depop declutter big bag of clothes. So that is about it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a bit of a mix, a match, a mish-mash of things that I got up to, but that was how my day turned out, so that was how the video turned out. But thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time.